Welcome to the ultimate 15-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. In this video, we're going to take you through a series of high-intensity interval training exercises that are designed to get your heart pumping and your fat burning. But first, please subscribe this channel for more exciting videos. Before we start the workout, we need to make sure we properly warm up our muscles. This can be done by doing some light cardio, like jumping jacks or jogging in place for about 3-5 minutes. HIIT exercises. Now that we're warmed up, let's get started on the HIIT exercises. We'll be doing each exercise for 30 seconds and resting for 10 seconds between each exercise. Exercise 1. Jump squats. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down as if you are sitting in a chair, then jump up as high as you can. Land softly back in the squat position and repeat for 30 seconds. Exercise 2. Burpees. Start standing and then squat down, placing your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump your legs back up to your hands. Jump up and repeat for 30 seconds. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, then quickly alternate bringing your knees to your chest. Do this for 30 seconds. Exercise 4. High knees. Stand in place and alternate bringing your knees up as high as you can for 30 seconds. Exercise 5. Jumping lunges. Start with your feet. Shoulder width apart, step one foot back and lower down into a lunge. Jump up and switch legs mid-air, then land in a lunge with your other foot forward. Repeat for 30 seconds. Cool down. Now that the workout is done, we need to cool down our muscles. This can be done by doing some light stretching for about 3-5 minutes. And there you have it, the ultimate 15-minute fat-burning HIIT workout that you can do anywhere without any equipment. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.